Hi, sir. I'm Abhiraj. I'm in the first batch right now. My question was so when you entered the market during the Harshad Mehta wave, uh, so once there was a collapse in the market when his whole scam was uncovered, uh, how did that? So that drove a lot of people out of the market. They stopped investing because they got scared. How? What kept you close to this world?
Great question. So, as I said, thousands of boys like me must have entered the market, but not uh, they didn't survive not only because of the scam. Didn't survive because of disruption of technology. So, people in stock market were making money intermediaries due to inefficiency of the market. There were loopholes. So a lot of people were making money. But when transparency came and real time information, SEBI came, regulations became stricter and stricter, people found it very difficult to make money. So you have to think differently. That's what I said. I never became intermediary, means broking activity nahi kiya. I always was a trader and I turned investor uh, after 16, 17 years of my career. I was an idiot. There was nobody to tell me कि trading में पैसा आता है ठीक है, but wealth will get created in long term investing. So I became investor after 2008-9. When I saw 2003 to 2007-8 का boom, the stock prices went 10x, 100x. I thought कि as a trader, I was making 10%, 15%, 20%. What am I doing? Wasting my time. So I turned long-term investor after 2008-9 when the market again gave me the offer. Today I am invested in more than 170-80 companies and I have stakes of more than 1% to 10% in more than 60 companies. So I hope this answers your question.
Hi sir, Anish here. So आपका ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि when you were in that initial phase of learning from Dalal Street and all that, तो obviously आपको तो कोई बता नहीं रहा था कि क्या कैसे इन्वेस्ट करते हैं वगैरह वगैरह, तो आपका वो how was your journey of learning by doing, you know?
I think each and every learning is by doing. मैं ना प्रोफेसर विवेक वहाँ बैठे सर, नो ऑफेंस, बट all great institutions worldwide have fantastic faculty that teaches the student, but there are students who do or grow 100x of the professor. Why? Because they take that risk, they show that courage, they take that, do that daring, and they do. अगर प्रोफेसर सिखाने वाले को सब कुछ आता तो वो सिखाता कि वही बन जाता ना. So what, to answer your question, is you have to learn yourself. And the big, एकलव्य का नाम सुना है ना? Eklavya was a greater archer than Arjun. Nobody taught him. So that hunger, that drive, that fire of learning and practicing that and keep doing it. Trust me, you don't need intelligence or brilliance to be successful in life. You need discipline and patience. More than that. If you are brilliant, it's a added this thing. If you are intelligent, further it is a added advantage. But there is no substitute to patience, discipline, and hard work. So learning is to be, everybody has, यहाँ पे विवेक सर पढ़ाएंगे 60 स्टूडेंट्स है, somebody will learn more, somebody will learn less. So learning, you have to observe and keep learning. That's what I say. Don't blindly follow the role models. Get motivated, inspired by them, but you have to form your own this thing. So I also kept on, still I am learning. Every day I am learning. Because it has started coming in social media, my name and all, I started getting invites by Namita and other people. Earlier, nobody used to invite me. So everything you बोलते हैं ना, मेहनत खामोशी से करो, सफलता शोर मचाएगी. You keep learning, keep doing your thing. Automatically, you will keep getting all the benefits of your this thing. So, example, a cricketer is there. he scores 4-5 centuries. He becomes famous. He gets a lot of advertisement and all. Social media account, Instagram followers. Then he starts focusing on maintaining his social account and his this thing, and loses focus on cricket and starts doing badly. तो ऑटोमेटिक उधर फॉलोअर भी कम हो जाएगा, ट्रोलिंग स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, एडवर्टीजमेंट मार्केट में रेट कम हो जाएगा और इधर से भी गया. So focus on your core competence and keep building on your core competence. Never ever get out of your area of core competence. Look at Lata Mangeshkar. She was a great singer, world recognized singer. Imagine Lata Mangeshkar stock trading कर सकती है क्या? हाँ? या तुम्हारे जैसा कोडिंग या डेटा वो कर सकती थी क्या? बट वो तो ग्रेट है ना, बिकॉज शी स्टक टू हर एरिया ऑफ कोर कॉम्पिटेंस. उसका ग्रेटनेस इतना है कि ये सब जरूरत ही नहीं है ना उसको. इफ यू आर गुड इन समथिंग ना, यू आइडेंटिफाई योर एरिया ऑफ कॉम्पिटेंस, कीप डूइंग दैट एंड एक्सेल इन दैट. ट्रस्ट में बाकी सबके पास जो कुछ है वो सब चल के तुम्हारे पास अपने आप आ जाएगा. डोंट ट्राई टू एंटर इनटू ईच अदर्स टेरिटरी.
Hello, sir. I'm Devesh. First of all, thank you for your wonderful insights, especially about that Gucci Prada thing. अब मैं पापा को एक्चुअली बोल पाऊंगा कि दिला के दो.
अरे बेटा, मैं मेरे पैसे से खरीदता था, पापा के पैसे से नहीं खरीदता था. मेरा पापा तो बेचारा वो मेरे को घर में वो देखता, हम लोग को उनको भाव नहीं मालूम था. मैं एक और बताता हूँ. ये जेंटलमैन है ना, मेसी महेश गुप्ता, ही गिफ्टेड मी अ ओमेगा वॉच ऑन माय वेडिंग in 1999. I gave that watch to my father. He wore it 5-6 years very peaceful, बहुत खुश थे. One day उसका वो बंद हो गई, कुछ हो गया, तो he went to a watch guy below his office. वो पहचानता था रोज ऊपर नीचे, तो वो गुजराती था. गुजराती समझते कोई लोग. बोले, अरे अग्रवाल साहब, તમે પૈસાવાલા બની ગયા, એટલી મોંઘી વોચ લઈ આવ્યા. तो ही आस्क्ड हिम, क्यों, क्या हुआ? तो वो उसको कुछ बोला होगा, 1 लाख रुपए की है कि 50,000 रुपये, वो टाइम मालूम नहीं. He stopped wearing that watch from that day because he came to know the price of that watch. Really not joking. He was so पप्पा ने, बेटा तारा पैसा थी खर्चा कर, पप्पा के पैसे से aspire to buy a Prada Gucci, but aspire to buy with your own money. With your pocket money buy. Then you will go earn 100 times more money that you will start gifting Prada Gucci. पापा के पैसे से लिया तो क्या किया यार.
Acha, so my question was about your point. You said that in 2008 or something you realized that real wealth was created through investing and not through trading. And from my understanding, investing takes a longer period of time. You should invest in a company and give it some time to play it out. So when you had your first big break, let's say you hit your first crore or 10 crore, was it through trading or investing? And if it was through either of them, how long did it take you to get there? And was it something you changed in your strategy that helped you get there?
So my first crores of rupees was in trading. You correctly said investing is long term, and if you are really a long term investor, you should buy businesses, as Warren Buffett says, not shares. Share in businesses. Businesses which you feel ki will survive 100 years, 50 years, 200 years. You buy to never sell. You sell only when if you need money or you get some really more compelling opportunity which you feel ki will give you much more higher returns than what I already have. So long-term investing is about that. I should also bring the technology angle. I'll become a long-term investor also thanks to electronic media. The CNBCs, ET Nows of the world, they were not there earlier. So when they started, talking about long-term investing, getting experts from all over the world, listening, that was my learning. And also with my experience, combination of both helped me.
Also, one last thing. So when you switched from trading to investing, you had that epiphany sort of. What made you realize that real money is made in investing and not in trading? Because you were making good money in trading. You made a couple
That's
of
what I'm
CRs, right?
saying. I am still a trader also. I believe nobody can become a good investor unless he trades also, and no trader can become a good trader or better trader unless he understands investing also. It complements each other. And as I said, in trading one makes 10%, 25%, 20%, max 50%, but in investing one's make 1000%, 10,000% also. You multiply your money, but it multiplies over a period of 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years. You should, all you guys are very, educated kind of breed. You should read lot of books on investing. If you are not on Twitter, please open account on Twitter and follow all Morgan Housel and all other great investors, and they keep फ्री में मिलता है यार, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? वाईफाई फ्री है तुम्हारे को, ट्विटर फ्री है. Follow all the brilliant minds of the world and keep reading their tweets. It will help you a lot. On Twitter, there are so many references of good investing books. These that follow everybody and read. Trust me, in 3, 4, 5 years, it's a journey. Once you start, it takes you 5 years, 7 years, 10 years. You to see various cycles of the market. Market goes up, down, and you keep learning. And it's very fascinating. See, how will you participate in India's journey or growth story? 10x होने वाला wealth इंडिया का GDP. उसके अंदर तुम्हारे को शेयर कैसे मिलेगा? Only if you become part of those great businesses, you will get to share those wealth.
So you talked about making money through investments. My question is, so what we're essentially doing in investments is you looking for good businesses. अगर वो अपना काम अच्छे से करें, would invest in them when they grow, your money grows. So बजाय कि हम उनका business देखें, why not do it on your own? Why not enter manufacturing or
Excellent
product
thought, excellent question. So that's what Radhakishan Damani did. He was the most successful investor in stock market, but he left stock market in 2001 or 2 or 3, and he focused on creating business, and he founded DMart. And
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, खुद का बिजनेस क्यों नहीं बनाते बजाय कि औरों को पैसे
नहीं तो
देते?
खुद का ही बनाया ना उसने.
नहीं, मैं आप जैसे क्यों नहीं करते हैं ऐसा?
That's again a good question. I don't. कमा के थोड़ा आदमी बदमाश हो जाता है, थोड़ा लेजी हो जाता है, complacency आ जाता है.
But isn't that more of a
I'm
lo-
coming.
isn't it a long-term
I'm
business?
answering. I am 50 plus now. I think कि अभी और कितना मेहनत करने का to build a business. Again, you have to slog. It's not easy. I need to have that kind of fire in me, which was there 30 years back. So I do think of acquiring businesses and growing them. I am not yet successful, but this is an excellent thought. And trust me, highest money will be made by creating your own businesses, because over there you own 100% of the share or majority of the share. Highest money will be made by creating businesses. Investing is either full time, or along with your business you can invest on the side. I hope now it's answered. So if you have capital, start your business. You are young, age is on your side. I see you have a good education. But don't. आजकल स्टार्टअप का एक क्रेज हो गया है. पान वाला भी स्टार्टअप करता है. And it's sounds very cool. I have done my startup and I am looking for investors. It is a very good thing. I am not saying anything wrong. People who have money also are in market to raise money. That is wrong. You should do startup if you have a solid business idea. 100% you should start your company if you have solid business idea and you have conviction that you can make the difference and you can disrupt other people and you will do better than that. How out of 1,000 startup, only 10 or 20 become successful. Look at the ratio. Because they are doing startup just for sake of doing startup. It's cool. आपके language में it's very cool. He is doing his startup. उस पे कार्ड पे लिखते हैं फाउंडर, किधर कोई लिखता है सीईओ. It looks very good. I am not discouraging at all. But you have an idea which is original, or even if you are copying somebody, you should feel that you will do a better job than that person by value adding, and 100% do a startup or do your own thing. That's the point I'm making.
Hello, sir. Atharva here. Thank you for your talk. It was really insightful. So, मैंने first time life में invest किया था Paytm में, which went down on the day of the IPO, like a lot. Now, that discouraged me a lot from investing in stocks. I quickly shifted everything, crypto, everything to index funds, Nasdaq, वो सब जगह कि long term game खेलना था. तो उससे एक डर सा बैठ गया था, like this scary feeling I had. I feel like I did the mistake that मैं research कुछ नहीं किया and सब किया. But I guess in your life as well, you might have these experiences. So what made you to come back and continue, and not having the feeling give up? Like I got the risk part, but अगर कुछ होगा.
Very good question and very relevant one. So you know your mistake, which is very good. अगर आंख बंद करके अगर मैं किसी को नंबर डायल करूं तो चांसेस है रॉन्ग नंबर लगेगा ना, बट दैट डजंट मेक मी स्टॉप फ्रॉम कॉलिंग समबडी एल्स नेक्स्ट टाइम. आई नो आंख बंद करके नहीं, आंख खोल के डायल करना है. तो दैट इज व्हाट यू डिड. बिना रिसर्च किए पेटीएम लिया. अगेन बिकॉज देयर वाज अ हर्ड मेंटालिटी, न्यू एज कंपनीज ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, पेटीएम विल डू, तो यू गॉट कैरिड अवे. बराबर है, वही जो बात हो रही थी कि सब जन स्टार्टअप कर रहे, मैंने भी कर दिया. ऑल्सो in life you will succeed only with perseverance. लगे रहो, करते रहो, कन्विक्शन है तो. बॉस गिर के उठ, हम लोग बोलते थे, थोड़ा सा लैंग्वेज ये होएगा, प्लीज एक्सक्यूज मी, अंधे लौड़े फौज में दौड़े, गिर के उठ के फिर से दौड़े. समझ रहे बॉस? you if you won't fail, how will you learn? How will you succeed? It's not that bad to fail. Not getting up and running again is wrong. So multiple times we have failed on this thing. We have to again, and that is the differentiator between a champion and an ordinary player. Virat Kohli gets out on duck. Next inning again he comes and hits a century. That's a champion. He knows next time nahi karega wo mistake. So don't get discouraged. In last 50 years, India में more debacle हुआ है than अच्छा हुआ है. That doesn't stop businessmen from doing their business. Look at Adani. He's a champion. He's again got up. Again he will run. वही तो सीखना है. झेलना पड़ेगा बॉस. ह्यूमिलेशन नहीं झेले बिगर कोई बड़ा बिजनेसमैन नहीं बना है. You know what all happens? These big businessmen, they go to ministers for some policy and this thing. The minister gives them माँ बहन का गाली. Really not joking. Big industrialist. बाहर आते हैं ना, वो लोग बोलते हैं साहब मेरे खास भाई है, बहुत अच्छा मीटिंग हो गया, डिनर पे जाना है. They give message outside to the bureaucracy. अंदर गाली खा के आता है. जो मिनिस्टर है वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर के पास जाता है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर उसको गाली देता है. बाहर आके वो बोलता है मोदी जी जिंदाबाद, भारत माता की जय. बॉस तुम्हारा गोल क्या है? ह्यूमिलेशन फेस किए बिना कोई भी बड़ा आदमी नहीं बना है जीवन में. स्टीव जॉब्स पढ़ते हो, उसका कहानी में ह्यूमिलेशन, ही वाज थ्रोन आउट ऑफ एप्पल. एनी बिग पर्सन ही हैज टू गो थ्रू. हम लोग ने ह्यूमिलेशन नहीं देखा है? कितना ह्यूमिलेशन देखा है बॉस. फिल्म की पार्टी में जाते थे तो धक्के खा के बाहर भी तो निकले ना, ऐसा थोड़ी ना नहीं निकले. You have to look at your goal. At the same time, maintain your self-respect also.
Yeah, I'm going to shift from investing to the other side, regulatory side. Since you lived through the initial days of SEBI when Manmohan Singh was making it, that time it was very welcomed because it helped everyone open it out. But right now, there's a very negative image of SEBI amongst mutual fund investors, managers and all. So what changed in like this 20 years?
First of all, when SEBI was floated and SEBI came, So they were not welcome. There was strike in Bombay Stock Exchange. The stock exchange shut down for many days, he knows, just to shoo away SEBI. Nobody likes somebody sitting on your head. Now, see, SEBI also has chairman rotating every 3 years. Some chairmen have different view. The other leader have another view. Everybody tries to regulate, govern the industry in their own way. But net SEBI has done some good things. India needed some strong regulation. It is like this year, from school to college you have come. There will be teachers whom you don't like. There will be teachers whom you like. But ultimately you need teacher, right? To teach you. So SEBI का भी वैसा ही है.
So as you mentioned, you started early and initial stage you earned money through gray markets. But where else you got that money from to invest? You asked your parents or did some side activities to get that money?
पेरेंट्स के पास दोस्त पैसा नहीं था तभी तो ये सब किया ना और वो सबसे अच्छा हो गया. That is the best thing that could happen. See, the trick I think which worked for me is I started very early. जब कुछ नहीं होता है ना तो कुछ डर ही नहीं लगता है. खोएंगे क्या? And age is on your side. You are bachelor, you are single. And I think lot of leadership role which I took during my school and college days helped me a lot. That gave me confidence to deal with any situation, to talk to anybody. We used to organize multiple cultural activities in our college, in our community. Lions Club subsidiary होती है Leo Club, if you know. उसमें I was very, very active, organizing multiple fun and fair kind of play where gamblers used to come. So I was just narrating to Shivang and all. There was a time when two top gamblers of Mumbai city, they were competing each other and gunning for each other's throat. एक आएगा तो दूसरा वो इलाके में नहीं आएगा. हमने दोनों को हमारे यहाँ स्टॉल देके दोनों को खिलाया. So it was like real भाई लोग से टक्कर लेना और उनको दोनों को मैनेज किया. तो ये सब चीजें इतनी कॉन्फिडेंट और was when you are 16-17 ना कुछ हुआ तो अंकल प्लीज ऐसा करके निकल जाओ और चल गया तो चल ही गया. So all these things na helps you a lot. So if you get a chance to do something na, see, staying hungry is very important in life, hungry for success. But staying foolish is more important than staying hungry. बिना मतलब का लोगों की सेवा करो, मीन्स काम करो, लीडरशिप रोल. लोग बोलते हैं ना तू काहे के लिए मर रहा है इतने लोग के लिए, तू ही गाली खाएगा. कुछ फर्क. यू आर लर्निंग and doing good for somebody or doing some activities teaches you. It's a karma. That karma will come back and help you. So that is the foolishness. Do things which will give you some experience, some knowledge, some learning. Don't think कि यार मेरा इसके अंदर क्या कुछ फायदा नहीं है, मैं क्यों करूं. तुमको फायदा तो हो रहा है ना काम. If you teach your fellows to solve some math problem, you are revising yourself also again. And you will become more confident of solving that problem next time. And all these are investments of life. This will help you build relationship. Trust me, after 20-30 years of career, the biggest asset which you will have is the relationship which you have made throughout these years. That will be your assets more than money. I think, okay.